Alright, my Akiya number 2 is about to go on the market as a rental. So let's take our last look at it. The nice new toilet here. All the associated plumbing we had to do. This room's still the same really. But the bathroom, as I showed you, is completely different. All nice and modern now. The kitchen I did myself relatively cheaply, but it's got everything that you need. Nice new tatamis in here. You call that a bedroom. This is a lounge, 8 tatami room. There's a new air conditioning unit in it. Modern lights. Got new curtains everywhere in the house. New wallpaper everywhere, including in here. New flooring up here. The walls are being painted. Second bedroom is a 6 tatami. The new air conditioning unit too. Nice big built-in cupboard for this one. Suitable for futons, etc. And out here, the balcony leak has been fixed. The railing's all been painted. And the roof's been fixed. Including everything, I'd say I've spent about 3 to 3.5 million on renovations, despite doing a lot of the work myself. The house itself only cost 500,000 yen, but now, somewhere between 3.5 and 4, and it's going on the market at 55,000 yen per month, which I reckon is pretty cheap. But that's all you get out here. So I'll see how I go, and I'll have an update soon to let you know if I got a tenant. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.